Lola Tango, it's one of the oldest and the most well-known of all old-time tangos. Now we start this dance in normal ballroom hold. Now for the tango, we bring our arms slightly curved, and as in the tango there is no rise and fall, we dance the tango with a flexed or relaxed knee to make sure all our movements are smooth. We can start off a long line of dance with 3 walks and to a forward close, repeated on the opposite foot. We just demonstrate that the man will go forward on his left foot, the lady going back on her right foot. And slow, 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 quick, quick. Now the man is going to go forward on his right foot, the lady back on her left foot. And slow, 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 quick, quick. And at this point the man turns the lady sharply into promenade position, because we're going to go diagonally to centre for the promenade walks. Now the promenade walks, we're going to do 2 slows and 4 quicks diagonally to centre. We're going to step to the side and across. And man left foot, lady right foot. And slow, slow, quick, 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 turning sharply at the end, bringing the arm across into contra promenade position. We're going to go back with the same count, with a slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Back into ballroom tango hold, facing diagonal to wall. Now that is the first half of the Lola Tango. We just show you those 8 bars again, calling it in tempo. And slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Turn the lady into promenade. We're going diagonally to centre, forward and across. And slow, slow, quick, 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 turning into counter promenade. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And we should be facing diagonal to wall now. Now we come now to the quarter turns. The man is going forward on his left foot, lady going back on her right foot. And it's forward, side, close, and back with the left shoulder lead for the man. And we're going to go back exactly the same way with a slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Again, the left shoulder lead into, we step forward into a check position and back, back with a brush, ready to continue for the promenade turn. Now the promenade turn is 4 steps. It's a promenade pivot turn. We'll just demonstrate that. And it's slow, slow, pivoting right round, back in line with the lady. And you're going to complete the dance with 2 forward walks. That's 2 backward walks for the lady into a side close. And it's quick, 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 quick. Ready to start the sequence again. Right, we just show you the second half of the Lola Tango again, starting with the quarter turns. And it's slow, quick, quick, slow. And another quarter turn, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And you should have now turned back to the quarter turn. Go into a check position, and it's back into a brush. Now we're going to do the promenade turn. It's slow, slow, pivoting round, in line with your partner, quick, 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 quick. And that's the end. Right, we're going to repeat now the whole 16 bars, calling it in tempo. And it's slow, 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 quick. Right foot for the man now, left foot for the lady. Slow, 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 quick, quick, turning into promenade, diagonal to centre. And slow, slow, quick, 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 and turn. Slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Back into ballroom hold. Quarter turns and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 and a brush. Promenade turn, slow, 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 quick, 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 quick. Ready to start the next sequence.